I'm just trying to steal his tune. That's all I'm trying to do. Welcome back
on this episode of 10 Skill
10 Skill Garage. Welcome back to the Hidden Motorsports YouTube channel. It is Saturday of Cleetus McFarland's Burnout Rivals. Yesterday was the Indy 800. I'll put in some clips right here. But there's a big reason why you didn't see much footage, because we spent the whole day working on Klaus. You guys saw, what is it, videos ago, there was no engine in Klaus.
We got no weapons, do we? No, do we? No, do we? No.
There was no nothing. We actually spent the last 3 or 4 days constantly working on the car, 16 hours a day, trying to get the engine in, getting all of the new pieces and parts working together. Just yesterday at the event, we'll put this video right here, we got the first start.
The very first start of the new engine for Klaus out of the Hidden Motorsports. Don't stop doing what you're doing.
Towards late at night, Horsepower Proving Grounds is helping us out getting a tune, because Don over at Accelerated has been real busy with some family stuff, so he couldn't help me day of. Understandable. I'm not gonna hold it against him, but we almost got the car dialed in. You can hear people doing burnouts and things right now.
That's drag racing starting up.
It is. We just sent the tuner another log. He's gonna send us a revision back. We're throwing on drag tires, and we're gonna go ahead and get out there. But first, let's show you some beauty of all the new stuff. Glass City powder coating, Tony over there, we literally took every part to him and he coated it all. He looking pretty. Going in here, steering wheels and things, you know, those are new. Coming to the back, Snail Performance, they built us this custom tank to our dimensions. Fuel cell, all the new stuff. Merch booth over here. Booster Boys doing boosty things. Love it. It's freaking beautiful. We got Andrew from Skids for Kids.
Carl's gonna do a pretty lame burnout, I bet, but
honestly,
my only goal is to beat Carl.
Why are you so obsessed with me?
I'm probably just gonna go out, do a quick burnout, and then throw some t-shirts. I don't know. We'll see. I don't want to blow up a $20,000 engine.
That's because you're a half cinder. It's crazy that your things have
I'm
no
so
half
glad you're a
cylinders.
multi-millionaire and you have money to do everything.
I mean, I built my own stuff, so if you could build your own stuff.
I'll show you everyone else. Yeah, I haven't recorded anything yet, so now we're doing it. Look at all these beautiful faces. Skids for Kids booth. Look at that guy. He's a Jeep guy.
Big gay Jeep guy.
Yeah, it's cool. And just got Lonely Michael over there. Oh, look at all these toys already. That is beautiful. SkidsForKidsUSA.com. Donate.
I'm not lonely. I have you here.
Oh, love. Oh, I love it. You guys have seen Michael on the channel 8,000 times. All of his books.
And hopefully 10,000 more times.
Oh, 10,000 more times. There's going to be so many times, especially we might give him an LS or get him an LS on the way back to Toledo.
That would be nice.
It would be super nice because he needs to do burnout thingies.
It would be financially irresponsible, but I learned from you. And
that's a horrible idea.
I think that's how we make our decisions.
People are like, you got a race car, you must have lots of money. We're like, no, we have a lot of credit card debt. The Skids for Kids line up over here. Parker over there. Casey right here. Colt and the supercharged Mustang. Dalton Ellis swapped 350 now. Then you got this dump truck right here. Andrew, it's 200 horsepower beast. It's really sad that this 10,000 pound Jeep would smoke this little truck in a drag race. When did you say?
This Jeep makes exactly 69 horsepower. Not a single pony left.
Look at that NASCAR feeling right here. I love it. And then Frosty, the snowman. Look at that. Seth's vehicle right here. Showing it all off. Frosty did a nasty skid during the Indy 800. He was actually the pace car. for the Van Prix for the Indy 800. Race, rebuild, repeat. You guys know them. They were just at the shop for 3 or 4 days building a Burnout truck over here. So freaking cool. Like, oh my God, that's Frankie. And that's Nick Leonard. He's like the coolest guy I know. BB on the scene.
What's up, brother?
What's up? What's up? You gonna do a nasty skid today?
Sure am.
We gonna blow it up?
We're gonna burn it down, bud. Can't wait.
Remember the rule, tires or engines.
Here's the deal. If there's one place to blame for that truck blowing up, it's Hidden Motorsports.
This guy. I tried to give him. You know, I was just asking BB if the tires are gonna blow or the engine's gonna blow.
Ha! We got rods and pistons everywhere.
It's going everywhere.
Rods, everything.
If you haven't seen yet, Frank and Nick got their channel, Race, Build, Repeat. I'm sure you know them. They're much more famous or
More famous or
famous or
Well, you got the better car.
yeah, better car and a better booth. Sure.
those.
We're trying to step it up. So you see this sucker?
We did
It
copy
is.
a little
I
bit.
saw this when you brought this in. I was like, ooh, really nice, 10 by 20. Giveaway vehicle. So was it just r3merch.com?
Yes, sir.
R3 merch. Look at this. Win this Typhoon right here. Win this. See? Look at that high quality sign. Win this Typhoon. And then the booty shaker. This is what they just built in Hidden Motorsports. I tried to give them some help, some advice. They threw a Terminator on it, nitrous kit, welded the diff, did some questionable things, questionable wrap. But you see, it's got some decals on it, welded diff. Ghetto Booty, that's the name. Ghetto Booty. That's the setup. We're gonna go get some drag tires on and get to racing. Round one win, baby. Here we go. That car was actually ran like a 10.5 and we ran a 10.4. Wheelied, came off, couldn't get into second, and luckily we had more power, so we were able to chase them back down. They checked on me because the car was smoking real well. Oil everywhere. The turbo oil drains were not tight. That could have been a me. It could have been a Seth. So let's blame Seth on that one. Didn't Seth tighten up the turbos? Pretty sure he did. It was probably Seth. Thanks a lot, Seth. We're gonna blame him. Not really. I love you. So we got that cleaned up. The belt actually started shredding and eating itself, but since it's street car shootout, you're not allowed to do much, so we cut off the bands. Right now, we have to race this redneck dude in an El Camino. I'm racing some redneck in an El Camino. Do you know who that is?
Second round? Hell yeah!
Why you act so surprised?
No, I just wanted to get that big old smile on your face.
Oh yeah, second round win. This guy's great, El Camino. I've never seen it before. We'll see. I think new guy. We're going around. Motion. He's got a lot of the same parts that I have. A lot of motion, a lot of TBM.
Oh yeah.
How's your guy doing? Is this his first time out?
Yeah, he's a little toasty.
A little toasty. It is very hot in here. I think this is the guy's tuner over here tuning his car.
Hey, whoa, easy there, buddy.
Well, I'm just trying to steal his tune.
Easy
That's all I'm trying to do. It'll transfer. We basically have the same engine. It's close enough. Oh shit! This is gonna be a fun one. against Mullet. We just raced Mullet. Mullet beat me by 0.008 of a second. It was almost there.
And he also let you leave for 2 seconds prior.
No, it's not. Dude, I almost had you. So that was awesome. We just got Klaus an oil change. We put on the new Burnout tires, fresh Boiz, also steel, because everyone finally complained. I was like, fine, we'll do that. We're just gonna do a quick tip in real quick, make sure everything's good. We're gonna park it, get ready for pro, and go watch all of our boys in open. Whoa. It's burnout time, guys. We're up, Rivals is just about over. Klaus is somewhat ready. We got the tires burnt off a little bit because new concrete pad. It is ice. No one's popping tires. So going out on brand new tires is not the best bet right now. Don't want to hurt this new motor. Seth, you did great. Awesome skid. You see it. Motor's a little hurt, but what can you do? Hopefully I don't do the same. Well, let's get out there, do a sick skid.
No half cents.
No half cents, baby. Let's go.
Over the car, he goes, Klaus the off
Just realized, never shot an outro after the burnout. Really missing my cameramen, my media guys right now. You really help out. I suck at all this recording stuff. See, back ahead in Motorsports, Klaus is here. We did great, like the entire team. I'm so thankful for everyone. We actually finished 5th in the pro class, which is not bad for a car that didn't run until earlier in the day. Then we did 3 drag racing passes. And then we did burnouts. So I'm cool with 5th. Still lost to Andrew, but that's Andrew's whole life, and he barely beat us. It's Andrew. Klaus did pretty good. We only caught on fire in 2 little spots. Those wraps. Chris, I don't know if you saw those wire wraps that we did last minute, but they ended up catching on fire, which was okay because that was kind of their job. Yeah, those heat wraps right here. So I like half-assed put these around wiring over here because I was like, you know what? That's still kind of close to the headers. After the burnout, I see fire, and this DEI wrap actually caught on fire.
You'll have that.
That's how hot it got. But overall, I'm kind of happy with the car. We only had 1 fuel leak and 2 oil line leaks because we just didn't tighten up lines. Forgot.
Yeah, you'll have that.
We lost a belt once, and I noticed this alternator's out of alignment a little bit. We'll get that. Then have a bunch of the sensors to finish hooking up. We have a lot. Then we have testing. We have dry shaft sensors. What else? I don't know. There's still actually a lot to do on the car, but we got it running.
Yeah. You got what? Program your whole EGT.
Oh yeah, we got to do that too.
Yeah. There's a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot. But Chris is over there going hard on his truck. You'll see that in the next video. Maybe next video.
Yeah.
Maybe end of the year.
Do a lot better job of filming.
I know. You just start working. He just works at it, and then I should have filmed.
Yeah, 12 years of working on cars without filming, you don't really think about filming.
It really does slow you down a lot trying to get the angles and everything. When we don't have time to do anything, we just kind of forget. That's why you guys didn't see half of Klaus get put back together. I didn't have time to sleep or eat or do anything. It was 16-hour days here. But we're going to go ahead, end it off there. We got a whole lot of work to do, more builds to do. Brandon's build, Chris's build, shop builds, events, merch. Go to hiddenmotorsports.com. Get some merch.
Buy some merch.
We need some merch.
Buy it up.
That'll help us finish some builds, and then maybe hire a camera guy and a media guy. You guys can get better content, because then I won't have to spend time doing it, which would be really nice. But we'll see you on the next one. Balls are out.
Balls out.